Hey guys, are you someone who's struggling to keep their blood sugar level in control? It can be quite a challenging thing to do. Today I'm going to show you yoga asanas that will help you do just that. So let's get started. The first asana is Pavan Mukta Asana, that is the wind or the air releasing pose. Now how to do this pose? To begin with, lie down on your back with legs stretched out and feet together. Hands at the sides with palms facing down. First take a deep breath in, then exhaling, raise both the legs and fold it at the knee joint. Clasp your knee or shin with both your hands interlocking at the forearms. Exhaling, lift your head and chest from the floor to a higher position and try to touch the chin to the knees. You can also try to touch the nose or the forehead to the knees. Do not overdo or apply excessive pressure during this step, as it could put unnecessary strain on the muscles. Now stay in this pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Inhaling, release the forearms and bring the head back down. Exhaling, straighten your legs back onto the mat. Practice 3 rounds of this. The abdominal compression experienced in this pose improves digestion and reduces belly fat. It also improves the functioning of the liver and pancreas, which help in regulating the blood sugar levels. However, one should avoid practicing these asanas in cases of abdominal surgery, inflammation, and for women during menstruation and pregnancy. Coming on to the next asana, we have Ardha Matsyendra Asana, or the half spinal twist pose. We are going to be doing the modified variation of it. Now how to do this pose? Sit up with the legs stretched out straight in front of you, keeping the feet together and the spine erect. Bend the left leg and place the heel of the left foot beside the right hip. Take the right leg over the left knee. Exhaling, twist the upper body and place the left hand on the right knee and the right hand behind you and look over to your right. Keep the spine erect and make sure the shoulders are not slouching. Now hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds and continue with gentle long breaths in and out. Inhaling, untwist yourself and release the right hand first, the hand that is behind you. Then release the waist, chest, lastly the neck, and sit up relaxed yet straight. Repeat the same on the other side. We now have Vakrasana, also called as the curve posture or the spinal twist pose. We'll be doing the sitting variation of it. Vakra means curve. The formation and the process of this asana is to curve the torso, giving a twist to the spine. Now how to do this pose? To begin with, sit on a mat with your legs fully stretched out, toes pointing upwards and hands on either side of your thighs, palms resting on the mat. Keep your back straight, neck and head in line. In this pose, we are going to be twisting our spine to the right and left continuously. So make sure that the head, neck, hands and torso move in one unit. Inhaling, raise both your arms forward and to the shoulder level. Keep your palms facing downward. Exhaling immediately, twist your spine towards the right as much as you can. Immediately inhaling, come to the center. Exhaling, twist towards your left side in the same manner. Inhaling, return to the center. Exhaling, put your hands down to the sides of the thigh. This completes 1 round. This way practice 5 rounds with a pause in between each round. Now please remember, do not lean back while twisting. Ensure the movements are smooth, without jerks and done slowly. Twisting has to be done to one's comfortable capacity, so do not strain. The benefit of this asana is that this pose reduces lower back pain and exercises the abdominal muscles. It also reduces the flab on the lateral side of the abdomen. However, avoid this pose in cases of severe back pain, abdominal inflammations, ulcers and sciatica. Yoga is a fantastic way to improve your overall well-being. And for those living with diabetes, it can be an effective tool for managing your condition. But before you start, it's important to talk to your doctor and get their guidance on how to safely incorporate yoga into your routine. The most important thing is to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard. With time and practice, yoga will become an essential part of your overall health and wellness routine. Please make sure to consult a medical practitioner before you try this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.